So Figma won April Fool's Day, or they're calling it April Fun Week. If you can see my mouse right now, you see this little blowfish with a top hat following it around here in Figma. His name is Alfonso, as you can see here, and you can park him. So what you probably noticed yesterday, today, is that there's this little icon down here for Figpal. It says Meet Your Figpal. So you can design this own little character, and it follows you around as you work in Figma. And like I said, you can park it down there or whatever. There's foods you can switch between. I don't know what all these are, and you can change whatever's on their head. Boba tea, rice, whatever. There's animals, there's random objects, there's Figma elements, so you can do whatever. I'm gonna go back to, let's see, I haven't even gone through all these options. Kind of like that duck. I think that's a cat. See if they have a, oh, there's a capybara. Okay, I'm gonna do that. They should have had a pangolin. That would be better. Let's go with this. This will be Alfonso now. So you can do surprise me as like a shuffle. You can see other people's pals, or you can activate pals or turn it off if you don't like it. If you don't like it, you're zero fun, and I don't want to talk to you. So you can take a photo, and it's going to do like a little comic strip thing and automatically download it onto my desktop. And then if you click on the behind the scenes, it's going to do the trailer or commercial, whatever you would call it for this, which is hilarious to watch. I put it on Instagram after I found it earlier. You should definitely check it out. But so it does just chase you around, so you can pick up your friend and it's going to float around. I just found this. Let me see what I can delete real quick. I found, I wouldn't even call it an Easter egg, but they didn't stop here. They could have stopped here and it would have been hilarious. But if I right click anything in here, I now have this feed to pal option. And if I do that, you'll see it chomps it, it puts out some heart emojis, and then it's good to go. I don't know if anything happens beyond that when you do that, and I haven't found any other kind of experiences that happen. But I'm going to keep an eye on it today and see what else I can find. In terms of April Fools, I think it's hilarious that they actually shipped this into production and are leaving it for the entire week. They could have bought the commercial about it being a joke and just called it that, but it's not nearly as fun as people who maybe wouldn't have seen it, who show up in the product and are like, what the heck is this thing? So it's worth a share, and I wanted to get something put together for it.